Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Glow Paint Pen is probably one of the most versatile and fun art supplies you can find, perfect for unleashing your creativity on almost any surface, from canvases and shoes to rocks and walls. In this video, I will share my honest review on this amazing product after testing it in various situations, including brightness, longevity, ease of use, and overall value for money, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your next creative project. Number 5. Neon Nights Glow Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with this amazing glow-in-the-dark paint set. It's perfect for adding a vibrant, luminous touch to any project. For best results, charge it under sunlight or UV blacklight for 10 to 20 minutes. You'll get a memorable glow that will captivate everyone. These neon paints glow brilliantly in the dark, but they're also easily visible in daylight. Make your artwork stand out, day or night. It works on many surfaces like canvas, wood, plastic, and metal. However, it's not suitable for fabric, textiles, or skin. The set includes 8 20ml bottles in a variety of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and white. Get ready to create. Add an instant glow to any occasion: music festivals, parties, raves, and more. Be the life of the party. What we like. It boasts 8 vibrant colors that glow brilliantly in the dark. If you're looking for a wide variety of colors to create stunning glow-in-the-dark art, this is the perfect choice. This set is ideal for artists and crafters who want to add a pop of color to their projects, making them stand out both day and night. What people say. First, you have to understand the physics of phosphorus glow-in-the-dark paint. Because this is a UV reflective paint, the paint itself coats and reflects UV light away from the phosphate crystals used to create the glow, so that makes it more difficult to charge than if it is in a clear or white-based paint that allows more light to hit the particles. It also varies because of the color. Darker colors like blue are much more dim and don't last as long as brighter colors like yellow. The longest any of them will last is about 15 minuets, which is about standard for this type of product. Number 4. Glow-On Gun Sights Paint. Glow-On is a versatile paint that brings a long-lasting luminescence to your projects. It's perfect for adding glow-in-the-dark markings to various items, from gun sights to small electronics. It offers a concentrated, bright glow that lasts for an extended period. Simply expose it to a bright light source to charge it, and it will release light slowly over time. This paint comes with everything you need: a vial of paint, instructions, and a wooden applicator. It's ready to use right out of the package. Use it on gun sights, archery equipment, scale models, clocks, and much more. The possibilities are endless. It's available in 8 vibrant colors, including the original yellow-green. It features a concentrated formula with less binder for an opaque, water-based finish. Glow-On is a professional-grade paint with concentrated glow particles. Each vial includes a painted dot on the cap for easy color reference before application. What we like. This paint offers a concentrated glow that lasts for a long time. If you need a precise and long-lasting glow for small details, this is perfect for you. Its small size makes it ideal for intricate projects like gun sights or model making, ensuring a bright and durable finish. What people say. Visibility is great after a flashlight blast. Still visible in the dark on its own, but not as great. Just as advertised, it glows bright green after exposure to bright light, preferably direct sunlight or a flashlight, and stays like that for several minutes, and it looks white under ambient light or regular home lights. A quick flash from my flashlight made the sights flare up for 3 minutes. After that, they stayed visible for about 7 more minutes to my eyes. That is plenty long for a self-defense scenario. Number 3. SpaceBeams Aurora Glow Paint. Unleash your creativity with SpaceBeams Aurora Glow Paint. It's non-toxic, water-based, and creates a stunning glow-in-the-dark effect. During the day, it shows off a subtle off-white cream color, blending seamlessly into your surroundings. But when the lights go out, it transforms. Experience a vibrant, bright green glow that lasts for up to 24 hours. A single UV flashlight charge is all it needs to illuminate your space. For best results, apply it thickly. It works on various surfaces: wood, glass, fabric, metal, plastic, both indoors and outdoors. Let your imagination run wild. Get lifetime access to our exclusive VIP Digital Stencils membership. Create professional-looking wall art with ease. What we like? It provides an incredibly long-lasting glow of up to 24 hours on a single charge. If you are looking for a safe and vibrant glow for your projects, this is the one. The included stencils make it easy to create professional-looking wall art, perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. What people say. Emits a vibrant bright green glow that adds an ethereal touch to any space. With just a quick charge under direct sunlight or a UV flashlight, the glow can last for up to 24 hours. It adheres to a wide range of surfaces, including fabric, glass, metal, plastic, and wood, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Number 2. ARTME Glow Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with our vibrant glow-in-the-dark paint. It's perfect for adding a magical touch to any project. This paint boasts rich pigments that glow brightly for hours after absorbing light. A black light or LED light will enhance the effect. Experience superior quality with our acrylic glow paint. It features great light fastness and a glossy finish for brilliant results. It works on various surfaces like canvas, paper, wood, and more. Use it for costumes, decorations, or any DIY project. Looking for a unique gift? This glow paint set is ideal for artists, hobbyists, or anyone who loves to create. It's sure to inspire creativity. Made with high-quality, non-toxic pigments, it's safe for use by artists and hobbyists of all ages. It meets both US and EU safety standards. What we like? This set includes 12 bright colors with high-quality pigments for a vivid and long-lasting glow. If you need a large selection of colors for various projects, this is your best bet. It makes a wonderful gift for artists, hobbyists, or anyone who loves creative DIY projects. What people say. It's great paint and it glows perfectly. Good materials and coats very well. Can even be spread extra thickly and sanded afterwards. Interestingly enough, the material charges better dry than wet. Actually glows, squirts out easy enough for 3-year-old to do, and looks cool on pumpkins. Number 1. Glow Face Paint Crayons Kit. Get ready to shine. This kit contains 6 vibrant colors that glow under blacklight, perfect for any occasion. Made with non-toxic materials, these crayons are gentle on skin and easy to apply. Cleanup is a breeze, too. These smooth crayons glide effortlessly onto skin. Simply use your favorite makeup remover to wipe them away. They're perfect for Halloween, parties, or any event where you want to stand out. Let your imagination run wild. Watch them glow brilliantly under a black light. These are ideal for creating stunning, eye-catching looks. This kit includes 6 fun, bright colors: blue, green, pink, yellow, orange, and purple. There's a color for every look. What we like? These face paints are incredibly easy to apply and remove, making them perfect for both kids and adults. If you're looking for a fun and safe way to add a glow to your face and body for parties or events, this is the ideal choice. The vibrant colors glow brilliantly under blacklight, creating a stunning effect. What people say. Colors are vibrant, especially the purple. They didn't stain or bun in any weird way. They whipped off with a baby wipe with no residue. They glide on really easy without any pressure also. Once you hit the black lights, it's amazing. Very vibrant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.